Hey guys, another YouTube video. Today we're going to be doing a woodwork challenge outside. It's a bit cold out there, but yeah. And I want, if you can get 1k on this, 1k likes, 1,000 likes on this, it'll be great. And yeah. And say if you subscribe, I'll comment, I'll reply to you too. And let's get to it. If you can't see the goal, I'll show you. Right. You always put it a bit closer, right? If you can see the goal now, I put it a bit closer. There it is. It's that big. And yeah, I'll go for left post, yeah. That was not, but that was a crossbar. Right, this time I'll go for crossbar, just because I hate it. What was that now? Alright, this time I'll go for right post. I'll try. What is happening? I can't even hit crossbar, left post or right post. Come on, let's try again. Go for left post. Will I ever get this? Go for right post. Yes! Guys, if you didn't see, but I hit right post. And yeah. But the goal's a bit invisible. That's the post I hit. There. Alright, I'll try and go different. Go for left post. You think that was a touch? I'm not sure, but I won't count that. Go for left post. Yes! Are you two guys? Right, crossbar now. I know I hit it on the first time. Let's see if I can hit that crossbar. Bang. Let's smash this guy. There you go. Hit crossbar. And yeah, hope you enjoyed my YouTube video. And yeah, don't forget to smash the like button and smash the subscribe button and leave a comment below. And yeah, see ya.